Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off Gmail sync in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accounts and backup. Now in accounts and backup, click on manage accounts and then click on your Google account. Now here click on sync account and here you will see a Gmail button. So if you want to turn off Gmail sync, then turn off this button, and if you want to turn on Gmail sync, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off Gmail sync in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.